up, guys? We're over here in the paper trading competition. We're going to be reaching for this blue line down here inevitably today, but right now I believe we're going to draw back and get us this 1700 real quick. We're looking to get all the way up here to 11. So once we get to 1700, we'll lock in. Way down here on the RSI, so it should be about time for a little bit of a rebound anyway. You're seeing it right now. We're seeing the rebound off of the support area. The support area on the 15-minute is right here where we went down to. So we're looking for this to carry us back up to, honestly, this mark. I'll show you. Looking for it to carry us back up to this mark right here, which would be 4,500. So we're going to go sit at 4,500. We're going to watch what happens. We're risking 3,000. Let me see what the 15 minutes 200 EMA, way down there. The 1 hour 200 EMA, way down here. Where we're at is in a solid position to go up a decent amount. So we're going to let our paper trade run and hopefully recapture this full candle as we go into 10 o'clock. We got about 15 minutes. I'm not going to force you guys to watch the whole 15 minutes. And if I do roll for 15 minutes, I'll just fast forward it to like 2 times and then you won't hear me talking as much. I'll just cut this part off. So let me pause for a second and cut, just in case I need to cut this out. And then from this point on, I would be fast forwarding it if I have to fast forward if we don't get our $4,500 right now. But there we are, already at 1,700. It's going to carry up fast. Once you get equal lows, it's going to start to move fast. So we'll go to the 5 minutes, you can see the equal lows starting to form. And we'll go to the 15 minutes, you can actually see the equal lows. So once you get the equal lows, it's going to start to move quickly. We need to break this resistance line right here. So what I might do is go lock in resistance, which is what I believe I'll do, and then we'll take. No, we'll stay at the 4,500. We'll trust our analysis. If we lose the 3K, we lose the 3K, but we're gonna stay at the 4,500 and trust our analysis that we're gonna recapture 50% of this candle that we're in right now. Where's the 5 minutes 200 EMA? Make sure we're below it. Yeah, we're still below it. So there'll be a little bit of room up to 5 minutes 200 EMA to recover even more. So we'll for sure get our 4.5 out of it. We're at 2,000 right now. Great place to lock in, but we're not gonna lock in 2 when we know we can get 4 out of it, possibly 9. We've already started the turnaround. We started the pullback. We caught these plays to the downside here already, so we were good there. Now we're taking it back up. Time is 9:46. By 9:50, we should be right here. And this is a great way to analyze your trading style, your actual trading skills without the risk. Okay, so get in the habit of, if you're not sure how the market's going to react to a certain day, like I took my $500 and now I'm paper trading just to see how the rest of the market day would have went. From my trade earlier, we're actually down quite a bit because I went down to the 22.37, I think I sold. Yeah, 22.37.50. I sold right here, and now we're all the way down here. So I would have made about $3,000 off of my trade, but I couldn't be sure that we were going to break that area and keep on going down. Just like I can't be 100% sure that we're going to keep going up here, so I might just lock in the 2,000 and take it from that point. If this is our new resistance area, then I'll go to right here and I'll lock in 2,400. You know, you never want to give all your money back. This is a great way to practice. Come in here. Paper trading can be invaluable to your particular trading style as long as you're trading as if you were trading your own money. Don't go in here and play and be like, I'm going to throw in 40 contracts and see how that goes. No, come in here and trade just like you would if you're trading your biggest account or your smallest account, whichever account you have. And it doesn't matter what level you start at. Just keep practicing. You're going to get the skills that are necessary to understand these moves. You know, now we're down a full $2,000 from where we just were. It's a serious pullback. So we were at resistance. We should have locked in at resistance, but we were too patient. And now we're paying for that. But that's okay. We'll wait it out. It's almost 950. 950 should carry us right back up. We've got plenty of resistance. Our resistance puts us even below this line right here. So now that we've hit the resistance level and we push down, we're now forming a support level right about here. So we're forming a support just below where we got in anyway. So since our support is moving up, that means that the ability for the trade to go higher can move up as well. So just be patient. You'll get your $3,000 from the 10 contracts, or whatever the case is. Your 300 from your 600 from the 2, your 300 from the 1, etc., etc. You know, a single contract will be at 125 right now. So just wait it out, be patient, and let it play out. You have that as an opportunity when you're paper trading. You don't have this as an opportunity when your money's on the line and you need to secure money profit. When I'm paper trading, I can sit here and wait for it to play out just to see if I'm correct. You know, and if I lose a 3K, yes, I treat it as a bad loss, but at the same time, I'm still holding on to the money that I made today. There's no threat to me. But we get to watch, you know, and that's the most important part is come in here, see how the market flows. The market is still up $11 for the day, even though we had this large pullback since, what time was this? Since 9 o'clock started up. Even though we've had the pullback since 9 o'clock, we're still up $11 on the day. You know, right now we're up $2, but overall the market was up from here $60-70. So we can go back up there at any point in time. And like I said, this is a great way to test your trading abilities. Get right there below the volume imbalance. That little line there is the volume imbalance. It's probably the only indicator that I have on outside of the 9 EMA, the 23 EMA, and the 200. There we go, right back up to 2,200. We're going to break the line this time. Hopefully it gives enough momentum to carry up to the 9 EMA. Remember, I wanted to lock in right about here. So once I get to the 2,200, I'm going to lock in. Hopefully we'll be at about 2,400. So we're at 2,000. We're wavering at about 2,000. We're okay. But you can start to gain confidence because we've broken this line, and now it looks like we're going to form a candle above that line. Once we form a candle above that line, it should carry up all the way to the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA has not broken down to here. So there we are at 2,100. Go to 2200, I'll modify, and then we'll go from there. 2150, 2200. Now you can't modify immediately because it'll just kick you right out of the trade. You have to wait for it to go to like 24 to 2500. Oh, almost clicked it. So there we are, 2400. Now we lock in, and now we go back. But hey, we got 2200 off of it, and now we gear up for our next paper trade, keeping the competition going. I should have waited a little bit longer. I probably should have waited for about 25, 26, but you know, it's okay. That's still a good paper trade and great practice. But I'll check you guys out in the next one since I'm out of the trade. I'm not going to trade anymore today on the account. I'm trying to get this paper account up as high as I can. So